eigenvalues and eigenvectors. If T belongs to A of V, then lambda belongs to F is said to be an eigenvalue of T if there exists a non-zero vector V which belongs to V such that T of V is equal to lambda of V or T minus lambda I of V is equal to 0. ಈ condition satisfy ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so then that lambda is called the eigenvalue of T. Here the non-zero vector V is called eigenvector of T corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda. Example, let T from R square to R square be a linear operator defined by T of x comma y is equal to x comma 0. If C is an eigenvalue of T, then there exists a non-zero vector x comma y which belongs to R square such that T of x comma y is equal to C of x comma y. So it is by the definition of eigenvalue, that is T of V is equal to lambda V, where lambda is an eigenvalue. ಇಲ್ಲಿ C ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ eigenvalue ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ C ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And x comma y is a vector which belongs to R square. R square ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so it is in the form of ordered pair. So therefore T of x comma y is equal to C of x comma y. So now this is defined as x comma 0. Therefore x comma 0 is equal to Cx comma Cy. Now equating the corresponding coordinates, that is x is equal to Cx and 0 is equal to Cy. Now take x as common. C minus 1x is equal to 0 or Cy is equal to 0. If in case C minus 1x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 or C minus 1 is equal to 0. So C minus 1 is equal to 0 means C is equal to 1. So therefore since C minus 1 x is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 0 or C is equal to 1. If in case x is equal to 0, then y is not equal to 0. If in case y is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ, so trivial ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಸು. So therefore y is not equal to 0. Now we know that Cy is equal to 0, which implies C is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. Since we get y is not equal to 0, therefore there is only one possibility, C is equal to 0. We know that C is the eigenvalue here, so therefore we get the eigenvalue, that is 0. Now since x is equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0, so then we consider a vector corresponding to this one, that is x is equal to 0 means 0 and y is not equal to 0, so we consider the value, that is 1. Now T of 0 comma 1 is equal to, now so T of x comma y ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ x comma 0, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so 0 comma 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And then this can be written as 0 of 0 comma 1. Therefore T of 0 comma 1 is equal to 0 of 0 comma 1. Observe T of V is equal to C of V. So eigenvalue ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ? So where C is equal to 0, that is eigenvalue is equal to 0, so ಅದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ eigenvector ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? So 0 comma 1. So therefore C is the eigenvalue, that is equal to 0. Corresponding eigenvector is 0 comma 1. Now C is equal to 1 ಕೇಸಿಗೆ, so C is equal to 1. If C is equal to 1, then we know that is Cy is equal to 0, which implies C is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. Since C is equal to 1 means C is not equal to 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ only one possibility is y is equal to 0. So therefore y is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ x is not equals to 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. If in case x is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಿವಿಯಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಸು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x is not equal to 0. Now ನಮಗೆ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? such that C is equal to 1, that is the eigen value. Now we have to calculate the eigenvector. Since x is not equals to 0, let me choose a number that is 1 and y is equal to 0, that is 0. Now T of 1 comma 0 can be written as, that is T of x comma y is equal to x comma 0. Here x value is 1, so therefore x comma 0 ಅಂದರೆ so 1 comma 0. Now this can be written as 1 into 1 comma 0. So now T of 1 comma 0 is equal to 1 into 1 comma 0. So look here, T of V which is equal to C into V, right? Where C is the eigenvalue, that is equal to 1 and 1 comma 0 is the eigenvector. So hence we get 1 is a eigenvalue and corresponding eigenvector is 1 comma 0. That is, therefore 0 is an eigenvalue of t corresponding to the eigenvector 0 comma 1 for x is equal to 0. If c is equal to 1, then we get 1 comma 0 is an eigenvector of t corresponding to the eigenvalue 1.